Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Cube. Today, we're going to be doing this. A whole beef tenderloin. Price was good, it was on sale, so we're going to do it. I know you could slice this up into steaks if you really wanted to, and make steaks out of it, but I'm not doing that. I'm doing the whole tenderloin today. So, let me get this out of the package, and we'll pick back up. Alright, there we have. It's out of the package now. So now what I'm going to do is just trim up some of the fat off of it that I don't want. Try and trim over here, some silver skin. I'm going to try and trim all that up. You guys trim it up however you'd like. I know you could break it apart and trim this and then keep the tenderloin center part over here if you wanted to. I'm not doing that. I'm keeping everything together probably. I don't know, we'll see. Now that I've got it opened up over here, I might just trim it off and keep it over there. Yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this trimmed up and we'll pick back up. All right, there we have it. Silver skin's been removed. I removed fat. I've also trimmed off the side piece there. I believe people call it the chain. I'm not 100% on that one. Okay, here's what we're going to do with it today. I just received this. I won this on Cooking with CJ's channel on the hot seat one night. It just came in over this past week. I didn't even know it was outside, actually. I went cleaning the snow that we got over the last few days. And lo and behold, this was sitting outside there in a box. So thank you for sending this out. I believe it was Ricer who sent this out this way. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to try this out actually on this tenderloin now because this is Suckle Busters. Best in Texas, 1836, beef rub. Well, beef rub. So, let's do it. We're going to hit it up with some Worcestershire sauce as our binder and rub it down. See, not even opened yet. Let's take a look. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, nice and peppery. Nice and peppery. I like that. Let's get a glove on here. So let's go with our Worcestershire sauce as our binder. And let's hit it with the 1836. Now, I've never tried any Suckle Busters rubs yet. This will be the first one for me. There is a store here locally that I can get it. So if I like it, I'll be buying more of it. I have heard good things about the rubs. I've just never personally tried any. Another reason why is because I have a lot of rubs already as it is, and my wife gives me shit all the time not to buy any more till I use what I have. So I've been giving rub away to people at work and whatnot. I've given GB a bit, which I'm pretty sure GB's going to be getting a bit more. So there you have it. Well, let me finish getting this rubbed down and we'll pick back up. Okay, there we have it. It's all rubbed down with the 1836 rub. And it is a pepper blend. Sea salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, paprika, and spices. That's what it says is inside of this. It smells really good. It's got a nice peppery smell to it. It's got some nice big peppercorns as well, I can see. I like that. So I'm going to go outside and get the pit boss fired up so we can get this on there. So let me get outside there and get it fired up. This piece, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might just season it up and throw it on the way it is without trimming. Well, we'll see. I'm going to go fire up the pit boss. See you guys there. It's dark outside right now, but that's okay. So we've just fired up our pit boss. We got it on the smoke setting right now. As you can see, I don't have any foil again. I will be searing this off at the end. I'll show you guys how to do that. In the meantime, let's turn this temperature up. Let's get it to 250. I think 250 will be a good, reasonable temperature to cook this at. So there we go. I'm going to close the lid down, let this thing come up to temp, and then we'll get that piece of meat on. Pick back up when we're gonna do that. Oh, there we go. Our pit boss is up to temperature. We're up to our 250 degrees. Let's get this on. Over here. Here's our beef tenderloin. Now, as you can see, one side's fatter than the other side. So to compensate for that, we're just gonna fold that part underneath like so, beef it up a little. We're gonna put that right in the center. Put that right there in the center like that. I will be using my ThermalWorks smoke probe, my whole ThermalWorks smoke unit, to check the temperature on this. And let's go right here in the center. Right there in the center. We're going to be cooking this at 250 degrees for an internal temperature of about 120 degrees. Then we're going to sear it all off nicely, get a nice crust on it hopefully, and see how that goes. There's that other little piece that I had. I'm just going to put that right here in the front, just like that. Let that go like that. Now, let me just rearrange this. Okay. That's in the thickest part now, hopefully. And like I said, we're going to go until we hit 120 on that, then we'll pull it off. I'm guessing this should take probably about an hour. And we'll pick back up when we get to the point where we're going to sear it off. See you then. All right, we've reached our 120 degrees internal that we want. It's got a little bit past that right now. That's okay. Here's what we're looking at. You guys can pick that out too well. There. We're looking at. We're at 120 degrees. So now what I want to do is sear this off. Get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. That guy cut out of our way. So up here. Now let's go ahead and open up our sear zone. People tell me, why don't I put a rod inside, drill a hole? Well, I'm not doing that because I rarely use this sear zone. I know I've used it a couple times now for video purposes, but other than that, that's it. I use my Weber kettle for searing stuff. So I've gone ahead now and I've turned my temperature up all the way to high. Now what I want to do actually this right here in the front. My arm's probably in the way, sorry about that. I want to move this right here to the front like that, kind of, sort of. Now we want to let that come right up as hot as we can get it. So I'm actually going to close the lid on this. So what I'm going to do now is leave it sit just like this. As you can see, there's the sear zone, there's the bag. So I'm just going to leave it sit like this for about, I don't know, maybe a minute. I'm going to close the lid now, and then I'm going to open it, flip it over, close the lid. I'm going to do that a few times until I get a nice crust on the outside. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Pick back up when we're inside the house with this once I pull it off. As you can see, I've seared it on both sides already. Now I flipped it up on this side. I'm going to be searing it on this side here. And then I'll flip it over the other way and sear it on the top side here. We're getting a nice crust on it so far, as you can see. Got on the high setting, the flame broiler open, or the sear zone, however you want to call it. That's how we're getting our sear on it. So I'm going to finish that off, bring it in the house, let it rest. Once it rests in the house, then we'll pick back up and I'm going to slice it open. We'll see you there. All right, there we go. It's all rested now. seared, rested. As you can see, looks beautiful. We used the Suckle Busters 1836 beef rub on this. I've never had Suckle Busters rub at all before, and this is the first time. Again, thank you, Ricer, for sending this out my way. Like I said, I won this off the Cooking with CJ show, or Cooking with CJ channel. He's got a show, The Hot Seat, every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Time. And that would be 7 or 8 Central, I believe. Well, let's slice into it. See what we're looking at here. Should be nice, medium rare. As we put this on 250 for, it was a little bit over an hour. There you go. You can see that. It was a little bit over an hour that we had it on there for. Oh yeah, that's nice. We brought it to an internal of 120, and then we seared it at the end, and this is the end result right here. Let's cut that again one more time. There we go. Try it out. A little bit of a smoke ring there. Not too bad. I like that rub. A little bit peppery, not overpowering. Very good. Now this, you can slice it any which way you want. You could treat it like a roast, and slice little slices like this. Look at that, nice and juicy. Or you can slice it big and thick, make steaks. However you decide you want to do it your way. I haven't decided how exactly I'm going to slice this out yet. I'm just slicing a couple slices like this just for video purposes. And try another piece one more time. Oh yeah. Good beef flavor to it. That rub goes very well with it. Excellent. Well, this cook turned out perfect. I'm sure the family's going to enjoy this. So, if you guys like this one, you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. See you guys all in the next one. Bye.